Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty for the Win. This is a little bit of a different video. As you can see, this is my tattoo. It has a layer of kind of like Sanoderm, which is a tattoo sticker almost, and it helps keep out bacteria and it helps speed up the healing process. Why it looks so funny inside is because there is a collection of blood, ink, and plasma, and as you can see, mine is pretty dried out. I've had this for 3 days and I am going to take it off now because I've been instructed to take it off after 3 days. So this is just a touch-up. That's why it's not a liquid ink sac. Like the first time I got this tattoo, there was a liquid ink sac and it was like really liquidy in there. What I want to do to remove this is use some water here and just kind of trickle it on the sides, not on the actual tattoo, just on the sides of the Sanoderm. Right here and right here. Loosen it up so that you can start peeling. See, it's not that easy to peel. You gotta really be careful because it can make your skin really dry and itchy after. I'll add a little bit more water here. There we go. This one is like really stuck, so I'm just adding a little bit of water just to kind of soften it. Slowly peel. Just take it easy, right? And trickle some water while you're doing it. It'll slowly soften up a little bit more. There. Worst part's over. The tattoo is come out and I am just adding some water on here because it's really stuck on there. There. It's all done. Now, I'm going to wash my hands one more time. Everyone says to use unscented soap. However, this one works really well. This is Dial Antibacterial. It has the benzalkonium chloride. Hopefully I said that right. Benzalkonium chloride. Okay, that's the ingredient that you want for your tattoos. That is antibacterial. And so anytime that I take care of my tattoo, I wash my hands first with it really well, and then I wash my tattoo. You gotta wash your hands first. It is a must. Now I grab some soap and I rub it together and just slowly kind of pat it on there very gently. Rub a little bit, but very, very gently, like barely even any pressure. Then I use some lukewarm water and I take it in my hand like a cup and I just trickle it over top. I do not put the water directly on the tattoo, okay? And there we have it. You can take a paper towel and just pat it down. I would not use a cloth. Now you can see it a little better. So it's a diamond and it's kind of like an aquamarine blue color, which is my birth month color. I am an Aries, March. Also, when I pat it dry with the paper towel, I like to use this. It is unscented, Live Clean Baby Oatmeal Eczema Cream. Fragrance free, it says, plant derived, silicone free, and petroleum free, which is really, really important. So I just take a teeny little bit of this and I rub it on my tattoo and it's good to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, a little bit informative for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more beauty videos.